Hey guys, Adam Savage, and I am in one of my happiest places. I'm in the Henson Shop in Queens, New York. And Melissa, we're shooting some other stuff here, but I gravitated over towards this crazy looking stack of leather and steel, and there are four of them. Tell me what's going on here.
This is a mallet,
Yeah.
and you would use this insanely heavy thing to punch with a hole punch. These come in different sizes. They're all under here, marked and labeled. Please use these punches for pupils only.
This is eye punches?
Yes, these are the most important hole punches right down here. Doubly labeled for pupils, only.
Oh my
But
goodness.
you might need a circle for another reason that's not a pupil.
So the pupils these are kept sacrosanct, so they make really nice round pupils, and these are...
Clean edges, yeah. You can get these sharpened, but that's a hassle too.
Okay.
And then you would just put this, somebody else has done some pupils here, some really big ones.
Fair enough.
Someone else has done some little ones.
And this is pupil material.
Yeah, flocked paper.
Right.
So do you want to give it a...
Oh God, yeah,
you have to
totally
shout.
do.
You have to shout noise.
Oh yeah.
Before you do it, and then hold this real steady.
Yeah.
And then just hit this part.
All right.
Yeah.
Noise. Oh, that was so easy.
Oh, you did a good job. Where'd it go?
It's
there
in here.
it is.
It's in the punch.
There it is.
Dude.
I think you need two.
Okay,
Yeah.
fair enough. All right, here we go. Noise. It's just fantastic. I could imagine that's a fun day to spend
That's it.
making lots of puppet eyes.
Actually, these would be nice on your glasses.
Melissa, thank you. I love specialty tools. Oh my God, specialty tool stations especially.
Really? Look at this one.
That's not even the biggest one? Oh, wow.
It's dusty. It hasn't been used in a while. But.
Oh, but yeah, what a grand old beast this is. That is fantastic.
For Big Bird photo pupils.
For Big Bird photo pupils.
Yeah, but this is
Right.
hole punch number 149. So, yeah, these are all, I wonder where the numbers, I mean, this is the size, right?
Right,
1
right.
and an eighth.
Which model number?
Yeah, model number 149. Oh, here it is, 1 and a 16th. 1 and a 16th.
All right. Oh, here's some foam, so you can do some dimensional foam pieces.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this is the kind of thing you just sharpen and keep reusing it.
I love that no one's put them into an upright holder. It's just...
I know.
This is how we've done it. This is how we're doing it.
I know. I'm looking. I want a character name to be on one of the... Oh, it says Muppet. Muppet.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
It's great.